Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide non-video participants in a Zoom meeting. So too many black boxes in your Zoom meeting. Let's fix that by hiding the non-video participants instantly. So in here, what you need to do is just start or join any meeting first. Let's say I'm going to start a meeting in here. You can tap on start. So this settings works in both personal and also professional meetings. And second one, you can just here, once you're in the meeting, you can click on the small arrow next to the video icon. Small arrow like this, it should be in here, but there's no camera attached to mine, so there's no arrow, but you can just tap on that, and after that you can just click on video settings like this ones right here. And after that you can just scroll down and check the box that says hide non-video participants, and it's done. So this settings takes and you don't need to redo it every time. Now your Zoom screen looks way cleaner now. And that's all for me. Subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this, and also don't forget to click on the thanks and like this video. Bye.